Hi everyone, this is Anthony.
And I'm Santhosh.
And this morning we are at our newest listing at 4905 21st Street Southwest in the heart of Altadore.
Let's go check it out. Check out this cozy living room with a gas fireplace that opens up to your low maintenance deck where you can have barbecues all summer long. Anthony, tell us about this kitchen.
Well, check out this large cooking space. We have tons of seating rooms, just perfect for entertainment. We have a G monogram appliance package, which makes it the perfect chef's kitchen.
Let's check out the second floor.
The second floor is perfect to relax in this entertainment room, complete with a wet bar. This is also where you'll find a laundry room, a full bathroom, and 2 bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closet. Let's take a look.
Check out this spacious bedroom in this 3rd floor master retreat. And as we walk into the master ensuite bathroom, right away I'm greeted by warm tile floors, a freestanding tub, dual vanities, and such a roomy shower with a bench. And what's more, you even have a dedicated makeup bar. Let's go check out the rest of this retreat. Coming off of this master bedroom, we have this incredible rooftop patio. Imagine just having your morning coffee here every day. Anthony, what do you say?
To book your own private tour, reach out to us. Thanks for coming along in this tour and have a good rest of your day.